Hello and welcome to Holistic Cancer Care. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Memet Isik, a cancer researcher dedicated to exploring holistic and alternative therapies for cancer treatment. Today we're diving into a life-changing question. If I were diagnosed with cancer today, what exactly would I do? Stay with me, because this could be the most important video you'll ever watch. We often feel powerless when facing a cancer diagnosis, but I firmly believe knowledge is power. It's time to take control of our health and explore every avenue available to us. This isn't about rejecting conventional medicine, it's about empowering ourselves with a holistic approach that supports the body's innate healing abilities. Did you know that cancer cells thrive in certain environments, but we have the power to change that? Today I'll share a comprehensive, step-by-step plan to turn your body into a hostile environment for cancer, support detoxification, and boost your immune system. Let's get started. The first thing I would do is focus on the internal environment of my body. Think of it this way: cancer cells are like seeds, and our bodies are the soil. We need to create an environment where these seeds cannot take root and flourish. One crucial step is cutting off the fuel supply to cancer cells. Did you know that cancer cells have a sweet tooth? They thrive on sugar. That's why I'd immediately transition to a ketogenic diet, drastically reducing my carbohydrate intake and replacing it with healthy fats. This metabolic shift starves the cancer cells while providing my body with an alternative source of energy. Of course, eliminating processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats goes without saying. These substances create inflammation and weaken the immune system, making our bodies more susceptible to disease. Instead, I'd nourish my body with nutrient-dense whole foods, organic fruits and vegetables bursting with antioxidants, healthy fats like avocados and olive oil, and grass-fed meats. These foods provide the building blocks for a strong and resilient body. Furthermore, I'd incorporate intermittent fasting into my routine. Fasting has been shown to have powerful anti-cancer effects, triggering cellular repair processes and boosting the immune system. Our bodies are bombarded with toxins every day, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. These toxins accumulate over time, putting a strain on our organs and weakening our defenses. Detoxification is essential for creating an environment where our bodies can heal and thrive. One of my first lines of defense would be supporting my liver, the body's primary detoxification organ. I'd incorporate supplements like glutathione, a powerful antioxidant, and NAC, N-acetylcysteine, which helps replenish glutathione levels. Infrared saunas are another incredible tool for detoxification. These saunas use far infrared heat to penetrate deep into the tissues, promoting the release of toxins through sweat. I'd aim for regular sauna sessions to support my body's natural detoxification processes. Of course, staying hydrated is crucial for flushing out toxins. I drink plenty of filtered water throughout the day, ensuring it's rich in electrolytes and trace minerals for optimal hydration. Let's not forget about gut health. Our gut plays a vital role in detoxification and immune function. I'd focus on restoring a healthy balance of gut bacteria with probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support digestion and immunity. Activated charcoal is another powerful tool for binding to toxins in the gut and preventing their reabsorption. I'd incorporate activated charcoal into my routine to support gut health and overall detoxification. A robust immune system is our most powerful weapon against cancer. It's the army that patrols our bodies, identifying and destroying abnormal cells before they can develop into tumors. Strengthening our immune system is paramount in the fight against cancer. One therapy I believe in strongly is hyperbaric oxygen therapy, or HBOT. This involves breathing pure oxygen in a pressurized chamber, flooding the body with oxygen and enhancing cellular function. HBOT has been shown to improve immune response and reduce inflammation, creating a less hospitable environment for cancer cells. Intravenous vitamin C therapy is another powerful tool I would utilize. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that supports immune function and has been shown to have anti-cancer effects. High doses of vitamin C delivered intravenously can reach therapeutic levels in the bloodstream, enhancing the body's natural defenses. Alongside these therapies, I'd incorporate immune-boosting herbs and supplements into my daily routine. Medicinal mushrooms like reishi, turkey tail, and chaga have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their immune-enhancing properties. Garlic, with its potent allicin compound, is another powerful immune booster I'd include in my diet. And let's not forget about frankincense, a fragrant resin with anti-inflammatory and immune-modulating effects. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of natural remedies that have shown promise in targeting cancer cells. These therapies work synergistically with conventional treatments, enhancing their effectiveness and minimizing side effects. One such remedy is artemisinin, a compound derived from the Artemisia annua plant. Artemisinin has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine to treat malaria, and recent studies suggest it may also have anti-cancer properties. Boswellia, also known as Indian frankincense, is another powerful herb with anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer potential. Studies have shown that Boswellia can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce tumor size. Essiac tea, a blend of herbs traditionally used by Native Americans, has gained popularity for its potential anti-cancer effects. While more research is needed, anecdotal evidence and preliminary studies suggest Essiac tea may support immune function and inhibit tumor growth. Mistletoe, often associated with the holiday season, has a long history of use in traditional medicine for various ailments, including cancer. Mistletoe extracts have been shown to stimulate the immune system and induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death in cancer cells. DCA, or dichloroacetate, is a small molecule that has shown promise in preclinical studies for its ability to target cancer cell metabolism. DCA is thought to shift energy production in cancer cells back to normal, potentially inhibiting their growth. We often underestimate the profound connection between our mind, body, and spirit. The reality is our emotional and spiritual well-being plays a crucial role in our overall health and resilience. When we address the emotional and spiritual aspects of healing, we unlock a powerful force within us. Prayer and meditation have been my lifelong companions, offering solace, strength, and a deep connection to something greater than myself. These practices quiet the mind, reduce stress, and promote a sense of peace, essential for healing on all levels. Visualization is another powerful technique I'd incorporate into my daily routine. By vividly imagining my immune system attacking cancer cells, I'd harness the power of the mind to influence the body's healing processes. Emotional healing is also crucial. Cancer can bring up a whirlwind of emotions: fear, anger, sadness, and grief. It's essential to acknowledge and process these emotions in healthy ways, whether through therapy, support groups, or journaling. Remember, our thoughts and beliefs have a powerful impact on our physical well-being. Cultivating a positive mindset, practicing gratitude, and focusing on hope can make a world of difference in our healing journey. Our daily habits and routines have a profound impact on our health and well-being. By making conscious lifestyle adjustments, we can create an environment that supports healing and vitality. Sleep is essential for our bodies to repair and regenerate. I'd prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night, creating a relaxing bedtime routine and ensuring my bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Gentle exercise is another cornerstone of my healing journey. While intense workouts might not be suitable during treatment, gentle activities like walking, yoga, tai chi, or qigong can reduce stress, improve circulation, and boost mood. Our homes should be our sanctuaries, free from harmful toxins that can compromise our health. I'd make a conscious effort to eliminate environmental toxins from my living space, choosing natural cleaning products, avoiding pesticides, and minimizing exposure to plastics and chemical-laden products. Spending time in nature is also incredibly healing. Immersing ourselves in the sights, sounds, and smells of nature can reduce stress, improve mood, and boost our overall sense of well-being. We are not meant to walk through challenging times alone. Surrounding ourselves with a supportive community is essential for our emotional, mental, and spiritual well-being. Human connection is a powerful healer. If I were facing cancer, one of the first things I'd do is seek out a support group. Connecting with others who understand what I'm going through, sharing experiences, and offering encouragement can make a world of difference. Online communities can also provide a sense of belonging and support. Connecting with others online who are navigating similar challenges can help us feel less alone and offer a platform for sharing information and resources. Healing circles, often rooted in ancient traditions, offer a sacred space for sharing, healing, and connecting with our inner wisdom. The power of collective energy and intention can be incredibly potent in supporting our healing journey. Remember, asking for help is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength. Allowing others to support us, whether it's through practical help, emotional support, or simply lending an ear, can make a world of difference in our healing journey. Navigating a cancer diagnosis can feel overwhelming, but remember, you are not alone. This multi-step approach combines the best of science with the wisdom of holistic healing to create an integrative plan for fighting cancer. It's about empowering your body to heal from within. But remember, your journey is unique. Work with a trusted healthcare provider to tailor these strategies to your needs, considering your medical history, current health status, and treatment plan. Integrative medicine is about combining the best of conventional and alternative therapies to create a personalized approach that addresses your individual needs. If this video resonated with you, hit the like button, subscribe to Holistic Cancer Care, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Together, we can spread hope and healing. See you in the next video.